Good morning. It is Thursday, January 8th, and I thought it would take a few minutes to do a quick recap from last night's webinar. It was held on January 7th. I always try and highlight 4 or 5 new trades. As I mentioned to attendees last night, the SPY had come down. It had made a capitulation low right in here, tested the 100-day moving average. The bottom line from my market analysis was we got the flush out of bullish speculators. We fell below the 100-day moving average. We'd gap back above it. In the last 3 years, this has been an excellent buying opportunity once we get back above this point. I believe the market is going to challenge the highs next week. So the trades that I highlighted last night, we focused on bullish selections. Apple was one of them. I'd mentioned to attendees, look at that beautiful short on Apple. Stock falls down. We get our buy signal here right on the 100-day moving average. Last night I said buy calls on Apple. They're cheap. Go out of the money. Go fab. If you did that, you're a very happy camper today. Buffalo Wild Wings. Stock is in a very strong uptrend. Look at that buy signal. I'm going to take that 100-day moving average off. I love the breakout here. And we want to sell the 180, 175 put credit spread. So I want to take advantage of time decay in January. I believe we were looking at that spread trading somewhere in the neighborhood of 90 cents. It's probably still there. Stock will pull back and test this breakout here, but we'll have a very tight stop on it. Every hour that ticks by, time decay will take hold. Buffalo Wild Wings is in the best part of their season. Football playoffs. Basketball's in high gear. Hockey. It's cold outside. People want to get together. They go to Buffalo Wild Wings and have a couple of beers and watch the game. I like this stock. Lower gas prices are going to give people more money to spend dining out or shopping. Target, same premise. Beautiful buy signal right in here. Stock continues to move higher. Retail, I think, will do extremely well. JCPenney's posted excellent results yesterday. Actually, they came out with bullish comments that they would be able to exceed their comp estimates. Retailers will do well. Walmart, same thing. In fact, I showed this gorgeous breakout. Stock was still on a buy signal, but we had been stopped out. Now we're back in on that trade. You can see anybody that bought calls this morning on Walmart, which they're cheap. They trade with very little option implied volatility. You're doing great. The final stock that I highlighted was Zillow. Zillow, you can see systems outperformed 110% versus 28% for buy and hold. Beautiful short up in here. We covered that short for about a $13 profit. Maybe it was more than that. Could have been even $17 profit. And the system covered the short and went long yesterday. We have really nice horizontal support to lean on right there. So we sold the 195 put credit spread. We were looking at about $1.40 credit. Stock gapped up a little bit this morning, but it did actually trade below yesterday's close. So that credit should have been there. You can see the stock is up about $2.50 today. Another great trade. This is a free webinar that I hosted last night. 85% of all of the stocks in our database have beaten a buy and hold strategy, and the average margin of outperformance is 35%. If you'd like to see last night's webinar, I have the recording. Send me an email at info@oneoption.com, and you would spell one option out. I'll send you the full recording. You can judge for yourself. I'm also offering my deal of the year for the platform, scanner, and all symbols. It is the full package for a year. This will be the lowest price. I really hope to have you on board. After you watch the webinar, I'll show you how easy it is to go in and find trades. It might take 10 minutes per day. Earnings season is coming up. We've got so many features within the platform that'll help you find earnings announcement opportunities. Thanks so much. Looking forward to 2015. I think we're going to have a lot of volatility, and I hope to have you on board.